Hello students, welcome. Here we are going to see some or difference rule of integration, indefinite integration. So basically, if we have been given few functions like x square plus e to the power x minus, let us take sine x dx, and we have to integrate it. So sum and difference rule simply says that these functions will get separated and the integration value of those will be added or subtracted. So this will become integral of x square dx plus integral of e to the power x dx minus integral of sine x dx. So we can write it like this. Final answer would be x cubed by 3 plus e to the power x and plus cos x, as sin x has an integration minus cos x plus constant of integration. So this is a straightforward rule. Since differentiation follow this rule, integration also follow this rule, that you can separate the functions and differentiate, or you can separate the functions and integrate. Thank you students.